Welcome back. It's a Lioness, you know. Najee, man. Jus Seh It 101. Yeah, man. Yeah, so, you know, surviving this man's world. Surviving this man's world as a woman. Maintaining your dignity. Keep yourself elevated, thinking with the art, you know, thinking from the art, yeah man, reason with the mind. Well, I asked the singer them and them people, you know. I want some happy songs, some nice songs for the woman then. Some elevating songs, you know. Some songs will keep create a different, you know, like the vibration different from some of them songs the way I tell them where them is now. You know? You not fear repeat and I tell them where them is. Cause that now if a woman act like bitch or I call herself bitch, and you keep on tell her that and I tell her that and I tell her and see, well, I need to tell her. I know say you carry car. I know say you carry car by reinforcing. I reinforce it, you know. And Mama Nature, I cry out, you know. Mama Nature, I cry out, you know. Yeah. Mama Earth, I feel the pressure, you know. Yeah, Mama Earth, I feel the pressure. Maybe if you ever like every at least every 5 songs you write then. Write one for one woman. You already got 5. You know? every 5 songs you write, I sing. Sing one for the mamas then, the Lioness then, the Empress then, the Queen. Eventually the other one them will latch on to and start calling themselves that. I think so. Yeah, but then I'm just Najee Art reason itself. But then again, it's possible. Whether or not it's just that others think the same or whatever. You know, start elevate themselves. Not saying why them think like me, you know. Think for themselves, talk to themselves, confirm with themselves. No need no confirmation from nobody else to be who you want to be or what you want to be. But that don't mean to say you have to cast yourself down to the lowest and the lowest because you have that power. You have the power to either keep yourself down there or carry yourself up. You have that power. You have to start from yourself. You have to start from yourself. You have to clean up your mind. And now you have to clean up your mind. You have to clean up the arts. The arts. I not even say, I don't even want to say the art. I say, you have to clean up inside yourself. Inside yourself. That square box yourself. That square box yourself. That's why you always see me go so. You have to clean up that square box inside yourself. Yeah, so the computer, yeah, so I want you. I want to store for another day, I'm going to another day with the technology aspect of it. Stories for other time, but talk about surviving a man's world as a woman. Yeah, man. If you know if you walk running, if you not walk running a half naked clothes as a woman, your ass. Then put one label upon you. If you not do certain things as a woman, then put a label upon you. If you talk about certain things, then put label upon you. Anything, no sir. At 2020, this is no lose them blood clot. This back over there, so in 2019, you know, carry over here. And that way I say. And that mama say. You understand? Then give no father, son, and holy dopey. And forget about mother. And in the WOMAN, you see the MAN kind of trying there. Just as you see the female, you see the male turn up trying there. But yet still, you only get father and son. And Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit, you know, you can take that, but you can't talk to yourself. And people think say, hey, ay. I feel them blood clot business. The Lioness, them doing themselves. They know what to do. Because enough of you out there who the other sex people. I know say it's not an easy road. It's not an easy road to survive this man's world. It's not an easy road. And they make it difficult, very difficult for women to survive. Very difficult, especially in growing up in Jamaica. It was very difficult as a woman to go up and maintain the standard without being called all sorts of names and labels, because you refuse to do certain things or to act a certain way or to behave how society wants you to behave. And that is why a whole heap of double standard down in Jamaica. Whole heap of double standard. Whole heap of double standard down there. What goes for the goose, no go for the gander. Down there. And them set it that way there so that them ridicule woman's sexual appetite and big up the man's sexual prowess. Surviving a man's world, it never easy. It not easy. But we do it and we there. Hypocrisy reign and rampant down there, you see. All over this world, but it's strong down there. Strong down there because me experience it down there and it is strong. Then I know if it change, I know coming down there. But as this is Jus Seh It, I chat to myself. Elephant in the room, I don't care. Mama, the divine spirit. Young sisters, crying out, asking young people. Don't you see the baton is being handed over to you with the last breath? Don't you see the baton is being handed over to you in the last breath? Get the fuck up out of the box. Head buried over the phone like an ostrich with the head in the sun. woman them way need protection so that life can continue to fight and a claw them way survive in this man's world. Survive in a man's world. In 2019, up to 2019, prior to 2019 to 2019. What will it be like in 2020, ladies? Are you still gonna call yourself ladies? Ladies. Are you still gonna call yourself ladies? Or you're gonna call yourself a woman? Woman, you hold the other, right? Big up on yourself, big up on yourself, the woman, you reach 2020. You make it to 2020. Look, we make it to 2020, living in a man's world. We make it to 2020, Lionesses. We make it to 2020. Blood clot, it never easy, don't it? Never blood clot easy, but we make it into 2020. And this time, in this time of our eternity, Mama say, enough is the blood clot, enough. Vibration for raise up. You hear that, musicians? You hear that, singers? Players of instruments, and you hear that? Eh? Singers don't want to wake up on a vocal cords and some sweet melody on it, and some nice vibration, and hey, some happy song for the woman for 2020. You hear me? Happy song for the woman them for 2020. No fuck for blood clot challenge out there. Happy songs. Happy songs for 2020. Elevating songs. When the woman them happy, the children are going to be what? Nurtured with more love and all of those things. Yeah, the children are going to be nurtured with more love and affection, as the man them are show the woman them more love and affection. Yeah. I remember saying, we have some cleaning up to do to prepare for the next and the younger one or the younger ones coming up, that you are going to pass the baton to. What kind of baton you have? How you going to give them the baton? How you going to give them the baton? If we give you the baton with the last breath we have, and you turn up like finish line and a pose with it and nothing so till your time run out. How you have, what kind of baton you have to pass here? Get the next set we are coming. So that is why we want the artists them to start. Our music we are called feature because we not just know else now we know that there are certain truth resonating in the music because some of the artists them spiritually connected. Most artists where you see them have something, there's a spiritual connection there. It's a spiritual connection there. And them just have to tune it, just like how them tune their music or tune them whatever. Tune that spiritual connection and raise the vibration of the music. Whichever part them play night. Yeah man. Life and art, you know man. Vibration, frequency and all of those things Them life connect. The music, the rhythm, It's a universal song, them say no. It's a universe, you know. It's not why we just have one set up, just want to take it over and make it become a universe. It should be a multiverse. It's not no fucking universe after we do one song. Well, if I want song, we could sing it in harmony then, no man. Just sing it, make it vibrate, right? Tell us the English language, fuck up and confuse in my blood. So I like it too. I don't like using, man. I don't like using. I don't like using. But anyway, I think Mama will satisfy with me and the liquor and Mama, I think you can satisfy with me and the rant, you know. Say enough, you're not jigging with trouble. We think we say enough, we need to catch your breath now, we need to do something. Survive in a man's world. Lioness. Lioness. Are you surviving a man's world? Or you surviving? Is it easy for you? How difficult it is for you, the other person? Anyway, when I'm going to this out, anyway, I think I made that for the day. Damage are nice. This is when I want medicine. When I want anybody who knows wants hey, the herbs, man. Let me tell you, say, Mama never wrong with that. Mama never wrong with that. This is when nobody wants anybody. Mama never wrong with that. Go on this and I switch for that can it's worth funny that yeah. Anyway, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoy the reasoning. Yeah, man. Jus Seh It. Catch you next time.